A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a significant development for New York Attorney General Letitia James, a grand jury has once again declined to re-indict her, marking a second refusal to revive a mortgage fraud prosecution that has been linked to encouragement from former President Donald Trump. This decision is seen as a substantial setback for the Justice Department, which has faced criticism for its attempts to prosecute political adversaries of the Trump administration. The original indictment against James was dismissed by a judge in November, who ruled that the prosecutor, Lindsay Halligan, had been illegally appointed as the U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia. The allegations against James center around her purchase of a modest home in Norfolk, Virginia, where she has family ties. Throughout the legal proceedings, James has maintained that the case is politically motivated and has denied any wrongdoing. In a twist of events, the Justice Department sought a new indictment from a grand jury in Alexandria, Virginia, after a previous grand jury in Norfolk had already declined to indict her just a week prior. The situation escalated when Trump publicly expressed dissatisfaction over the lack of action against James and former FBI Director James Comey, who has also been a target of Trump's ire due to his investigation into the Trump campaign's ties to Russia. In a message posted on Truth Social, Trump urged that we can't delay any longer in taking action against these political opponents. Following this pressure, a federal grand jury indicted James on charges of bank fraud and making false statements to a financial institution in connection with a loan for her Virginia property purchased in 2020. Halligan, the prosecutor, stated at the time that no one is above the law, asserting that the charges represented intentional criminal acts and breaches of public trust. However, James has consistently described the charges as baseless and a form of political retribution, pleading not guilty to the allegations. The recent grand jury's decision not to proceed with the indictment is a notable indication of the challenges faced by the Justice Department in pursuing these politically charged cases. The refusal to indict James further complicates the narrative surrounding the Trump administration's legal battles and its ongoing conflicts with political opponents. As the situation unfolds, it remains to be seen how this decision will impact the future of both James and the Justice Department's efforts to hold political figures accountable. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.